Luke chapter 21. Widow offering. For inside the temple, Jesus come see rich people dey put their money for offering box. He still see one poor woman wey im husband don die dey put 2 coins inside the box. Jesus come say, I tell una true word, the money wey this poor widow put so big pass all the other people own. Because the rich people give their offering from the plenty money wey dem get. But as this woman poor rich, he put everything wey he get. Sign Sey World Go End. As some people dey talk about how the temple fine reach because of the stones wey they take build am and the offering wey people dey give, Jesus come say, the day dey come when all the stones wey una dey see so go scatter and one no go dey on top another again. So they come ask am, Teacher, when these things go happen? And wetin go be the sign say the time for these things to happen don reach? Jesus answer, make una shine una eye so that nobody go deceive una. Because many people go come preach with my name, say, na me be Jesus, or the time don near. Make una not follow them. And when una hear rumor about war and wahala, make una not fear, because all these things go first happen, but that no mean say the end don reach. The disciples go suffer. Then Jesus tell them, country go fight country, kingdom go fight kingdom, strong earthquake, hunger and sickness go dey everywhere, different things and bad signs go dey happen, and fear go catch everybody. But before they go happen, dem go arrest and punish una for wetin una not do. They go carry una go judge for inside synagogue. Then dem go throw una inside prison. Dem go carry una go meet kings and governors because of my name. This na the time for una to spread the good news. So make una ready una mind before the time reach. Make una not think how una go take defend una self, because I go give una the word wey una go talk and wisdom wey una enemy no go fit oppose. Una papa, mama, brothers, relations and friends go say dem no know una, and they go even kill some of una. Everybody go hate una because of my name. But God eye go always dey watch una. So if una stand reach the end, God go save una. Jerusalem go scatter. But when una see say soldiers don surround Jerusalem, make una know say the time wey dem go destroy Jerusalem don near. So make the people wey dey Judea run go mountain, and those wey dey inside town must comot there. Make those wey dey outside no enter the town again, because na that time God go judge the world, since everything wey they write for God word must happen. That time e go bad well for women wey get belle or get small pikin for hand. Strong wahala go come for this land, and God punishment go fall for people head. They go use sword, kill some, carry some as prisoner go another country, and the Gentile people go destroy Jerusalem. Until the time wey God say Israel must to suffer go end. ManPikin Dey Come. Different signs go show for sun, moon and star. For inside this world, people for different countries go dey fear and worry. Because of the way rivers go dey move and water go dey rush from sea enter land, people go dey faint and fear go dey catch some because of wetin dey happen for the world, and different powers inside the sky go shake comot from where dem dey. Then dem go see ManPikin dey come inside cloud with power and glory. So when these things dey happen, make una stand and dey ready, because una salvation don near. The fig tree. Then Jesus come tell dem this parable. Make una think about the fig tree and all the other trees. When their leaf start to fall comot, make una know say dry season don near. Na so una go still know too when una see all these things dey happen. Una go know say God kingdom don near. I tell una true word, the people for this world now no go die finish before all these things go happen. Heaven and earth go vanish comot, but my word go dey forever. Make una dey ready. So make una shine una eye. No let party and wahala for this life full una mind. If not, that day go come when una no expect. Because that day go surprise everybody wey dey for this world. But make una dey shine una eye every time. Dey pray make God give una power take pass all these tests wey go happen, so that una go fit stand for ManPikin front. So Jesus come dey teach for the temple every day, but when night reach, he go Mount Olives, and for early morning all the people dey go listen to am inside the temple.